We had damage from Hurricane Milton, and we had some jacks that were underneath the house that were in need of being replaced. Well, I chose LRE. The biggest part of my choice of LRE was the communication. Every way possible, from the quoting process to the finish process, was constant communication. Madison in the office was great with the permitting process. Getting a permit after hurricanes come by is a very, very tenuous process. So Madison was great walking us through that. The crew, all the way from Trevor designing and engineering my trusses to Frankie and his crew, was impressive. Gives you a sense of ease that things are getting done the right way. I would encourage everybody to do their own homework. If you want to make your search shorter, start with LRE, because they did everything others weren't able to do or unwilling to do.